Click on the subscribe button and press the bell.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to save any web page directly into Google Drive as PDF file using Windows computer. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, open Google Chrome web browser. So if you don't have Google Chrome installed in your computer, then first of all download and install it and open it. So now log into the website that you want to create a PDF file and directly save it into Google Drive. So for example, I am logging to this website and now I'm going to save this web page directly into Google Drive as a PDF file. So to do that, move your mouse cursor at the top corner and click on this three dot and now click on print. And now sense the destination by clicking on this arrow and click on see more. Now at the below of this interface you will see sign in option. So click on this option, sign in to print Google Cloud Print. Click here and now you have to log in using your Google ID and password. So input your Google ID and password here. Click on next. Now you will see here your Gmail account ID in the destination option. So after you have signed in using your Google account, you will see one more options at the below, that is save to Google Drive. So click here, save to Google Drive, and as you can see here, the destination is now sent into save to Google Drive. So save, click on save it to save. So this is now saving. So once you have logged in into your Google account, you can save any web page by selecting the destination as Google Drive. Now to view the web page that you have saved into Google Drive, so to view the web page from your Google Drive, go to your Google Drive account by clicking on new tab and click on this icon and click on Drive. Go to your Google Drive, then you can see here your web page is available to view as a PDF file in your Google account. So you can see here now the complete web page is converted into PDF file and it is saved in Google Drive. So once you have done with the saving of web page into Google Drive account, now sign out your Google Drive by clicking on this option. You can see here now Google Chrome is login with your Google account. So to log out, just click on your profile icon and click on sign out. So in this way you can save any web page directly into Google Drive as a PDF file using Windows computer. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and hit the thumbs like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.